Hi, I'm Regina, and this is Madison with Windermere Real Estate.
Welcome to our downtown Tacoma condo series, City Living. This is Thea's Landing down here at Thea Foss Waterway. Have you ever thought about condo living? So we are here today to show you a little bit about what your life could look like living here.
The idea for Thea's Landing came from a group of visionaries in 1990, and this building was built in 2002. It was the first step in reclaiming the Thea Foss Waterway for Tacoma, and our idea was to bring people and a cultural base to downtown where people could live and play. Thea's is such a unique building because it's mixed residential. It has a floor of retail and restaurants. It has 4 floors of executive rentals, and the penthouses have secured access and they are for owners only. The architectural elements of Thea's are reminiscent of the Port Tacoma feel. You'll find industrial elements, wires, cement, cool products, and the units inside of Thea's have views of the Sound, the mountain, and the city. Some of the amenities about Thea's Landing are there is a concierge area in the front of the building as well as a business center. In the back of the building, you'll find a clubhouse for rent for large-scale parties. There are 2 different gyms, a free weight area and a cardio area, sauna, locker rooms, and you'll love the promenades and landscaped patios where you can barbecue and entertain outside, taking in the views of the water and the mountain.
So what does the HOA include here at Thea's Landing? Well, it covers a front desk with secured package delivery and parking.
So stroll along the promenades or walk over the glass Chihuly Bridge to symphonies, ballet, theater, restaurants, and shopping.
If you are looking for a secure building with parking, if you want to live lightly, or if you can see yourself walking down to the social for happy hour, see yourself at Thea's.